Oh, there goes some thunder and lightning. That was loud. Well, I'm still getting wet all over. Even though we're under this umbrella. I think it's because the wind's blowing it in. There's Jen's. Uh-oh, here it comes again. See the lightning? That was really loud, huh? Right behind us there. I don't know if I got it on video, but I know I got the sound on it. Huh? Anybody could get hit by lightning. You're wearing rubber soles? That'll protect you. I don't know if you want to run in someplace. Is that World of Disney right there? Pretty big. Wow.